हाय फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी आर इन मोहाई सीना पार्क. आज हम मोहाई सीना पार्क में हैं. We enjoyed playing outside. Today I am going to make a plane that can fly at home and outside. Not this, but this. Now take a paper and follow my steps. If it want to fly, if it want to round, just make here a little square. If you like this video, just please subscribe or like. Subscribe and